I'm a microeconomist, so that means I'm interested in individual behaviours and individual decision making. I'm probably not a traditional academic, really. I come from a very working class background. In fact, you could even describe it as a very poor background. During my A-levels, I studied economics, and it was all like a really new subject for me, and so I loved it. So I chose to study economics at university, and really that's what led me to become a lecturer, because I realised that I loved the research process, that I thought that economics was an amazingly valuable subject that allowed you to understand the world and understand why we make the decisions that we do. Particularly, I'm interested in the relationship between health and work. And at the moment, a particular interest of mine is around commuting behaviour. If you spend time commuting, economics tells you that you should only do that if you're compensated. For a lot of people, even though they might have access to a better job or a better house by commuting, it's still detrimentally affecting their mental health. That means that from an economic point of view, this is an irrational behaviour. That is a fascinating topic for an economist. I feel very privileged to be able to bring my research into my teaching at Sheffield. I think that this is one of the things that makes an inspirational lecturer, to be able to use that research, and I love that light bulb moment when I talk about irrational behaviours, maybe in particular commuting, something that most students have seen their parents doing, and they think, oh, why is it that people behave in a particular way? I think that that's what really hooks students into economics and hopefully will make them great economists in the future. Sheffield's a great place to do economics. Look around you, look at the facilities. It's a fantastic place to do research, to teach and to learn. We also have a lot of amazingly inspirational and enthusiastic staff. And Sheffield's also a great place to live. I've lived in Sheffield for quite a number of years now, and one of the reasons is because I'm a very outdoorsy person. I love to climb, and Sheffield is a really vibrant city on the edge of a national park. What else could you want? I think if you're able to express the way that you feel positive about the subject, the way you think the subject is useful, and also show that you are at the forefront of research methods and research topics, that's what we can do for students. That's what makes an inspirational teacher.